versus a welder. An iron worker is a welder also, but a welder is not an iron worker. Family, that's a big difference. I'm an NCCER iron worker, and one thing I learned about taking that course is you got to have a completely different setup being an iron worker versus a welder. A lot of times, with just being a welder alone, especially if a person just say they are a welder, knowing that they can be a great combination of welder, knowing they are familiar with the gases and the different type of rods. But when it comes to being an iron worker, you got to have a different setup. You're going to have a harness. You're going to have your welding hood connected to a hard hat. You're going to have different tools and pouches and different leather setups. It's going to be different things you're going to learn, like rigging metal, learning how to put in metal sheets, welding in metal beams, so you'll be doing anything from flux core to stick welding, but there's a lot of different variables when it comes to doing ironworking, because a lot of times you'll be setting beams, punching holes in, putting bolts in, and then welding might be some of the small things you do on the later end. So being an iron worker is completely different. I think being an iron worker also, you have to be more aware of safety. You have to be more safe because you might be on buildings. I have did, in my own personal experience up to this point, I have welded and did iron working on buildings up to 22 stories in my personal life. So I know some iron workers have did way bigger, but I have did up to 22 stories. So you really have to be safe. You have to be conscious of what you're doing. So sometimes I've seen people that just wail along, get up there, and they'll be a little nervous because the safety involved in it and the training is a lot different. So I would say that being an iron worker welder is completely different than just being a welder alone. Hog on.